Welcome all, my dear friends. Let us enter into another significant arena of the world of patents that is known as patent drafting. So, after having a lots of discussions on the most significant sections, rules, and forms of the Patents Act 1970 and the Patents Rules 2003, respectively, let us enter into this beautiful and most important arena of the world of patents. Okay, so let us continue with patent drafting. Fine. So, patent drafting or otherwise we can say patent specification writing. Okay, and today I have taken the topic patent specification. Okay, so let us proceed with this. Now, a beautiful thought, friends. Just listen it carefully. Grasp the essence from the seed and let it drip from your fingertips. I'm again reading it, friends. Grasp the essence from the seed and let it drip from your fingertips. And that's called drafting. I hope it is clear. Fine. That means I have tried to explain you this term drafting in a literal way with showing some beautiful clips. Fine. I hope you get it. Okay. So let us proceed. Now we will have a comparison because whenever we say what is a draft, normally we go to its literal meaning. Fine. So first of all, we will go to the literal meaning of a draft. Fine. Okay. We can say that a draft is a preliminary version of a piece of writing. Fine. Or it is or we can say a draft is a written order to pay a specified sum. Fine. So this is the normal and literal meaning of draft. Now we will go towards what is a patent draft. Fine. Because this is the demand of our legal world or the world of patents. Fine. Okay. Let us see. A patent draft is a technical document presented in a legal format that has two primary functions. Fine. Number one is to establish novelty, and point number two is to establish inventive step or non-obviousness of an invention. Fine. Also, we can note it that patent drafting is the process of writing the patent description and claims. Fine. When the patent is issued, the draft is the specification part of the document. So, whenever you will try to understand the meaning of this statement that I have written in the note part, then your confusions will be clarified. Fine. So, just remember, patent drafting is the process of writing the patent description and claims. Fine. And when the patent is issued, the draft is the specification part of the document. Fine. So, the comparison has been done. Let us proceed. So, friends, now it is the turn for next content of the complete specification, and this is abstract. Okay. So, let us proceed. The abstract generally describes the invention in terms that are consistent with the broadest claim. Just remember this word, broadest claim. Okay. The next point is the abstract should give a concise summary of the invention, preferably within 150 words, and should start from a fresh page. Okay. Just remember these things, that the abstract should give a concise summary of the invention, and the limitation of the words is 150, and this thing, that means the abstract should start from a fresh page. Okay, so here the older slide also I have kept it here, so we can say that we are here at this point, abstract. Fine, so let us proceed. Now, before going into deeper for this particular section, let us know what is the literal meaning of abstract. Okay, so the literal meaning of abstract is, it can be defined as a summary of points as of a writing, usually presented in skeletal form. Or we can also define it like something that summarizes or concentrates the essentials of a larger thing or several things. Fine. Also, we can say that the definition of an abstract is a summary of a written work. For example, a written description of the findings of a scientific study. Just an example. Fine. Let us proceed. Now we can say, let us come back to the abstract part of the complete specification from the literary world. Fine. So we can say that this slide continues the abstract part from where we have started this session. Fine. So the abstract must indicate clearly the technical field to which the invention belongs, technical problem to which the invention relates, and the solution to the problem through the invention and principal use or uses of the invention. Fine. So we can say, just remember these keywords that are those background are sky blue. You can see here the technical field, technical problem, solution, uses. Fine. So we can say that it should clearly indicate the technical field, the technical problem, the solution, and the uses of the invention. Fine. The next point is, the aim is to provide better information to third parties. Okay. The objective of this is to provide better information to third parties. Fine. Next, some more important points. Okay. Where necessary, the abstract shall contain a chemical formula which characterizes the invention. Fine. The next point is, the abstract section should start with the title of an invention and should be short. Okay. The next point is, the feature of the invention when mentioned in abstract should contain the reference number according to that feature in the drawing. So here friends, I have also given the background as blue for the key terms. For the first point, the key term is chemical formula. For the second statement, the key term or the key phrase is start with the title. And for the third statement, the key term is reference number. So just remember all these things. Fine. Now, how to write an abstract? Okay, let us proceed. Abstract should not be more than 150 words. Just remember. Okay, the next point is, abstract is written by paraphrasing independent claims only. Fine. The next point. In case of various independent claims, paraphrase only first and foremost important claim in abstract. Okay. And the last point for this slide is, start the abstract with a phrase, the present invention provides a method and a system for then the remaining things. Fine. Okay. Now, the most awaited section or the most awaited slide for this video lecture. Okay. Because here a number of questions are waiting for you. Fine. Okay. Question number 1. An abstract is written according to section 10, subsection 4 and rule 13, subrule 7 of the Patents Act 1970 and the Patents Rules 2003 respectively. True or false? Okay. The next question, question number 2. Abstract should not be more than 250 words. True or false? Okay. And the question number 3 is, abstract is written by paraphrasing independent claims only. True or false? Okay. So friends, please go through each and every slide of this video lecture. Please try to answer these questions. If you like it, please give your compliments, and if you have some queries, please put them down in my comment box. Okay friends, happy learning. So friends, enrich your brain cell with proper food and proper knowledge. So thank you all my dear friends for listening to me and watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please keep questioning, please keep learning and keep enjoying. Thank you so much. God bless you. Jai Hind.